Hi, we're at Studio One in Rancho Cucamonga, California. Here with them, they just purchased a Trucoat 30-inch from Tec Lighting. This is a 29.5 by 30-inch UV coater with feeder and stacker. As you can see, this particular job, they are running a 20 by 26 inch, and they happen to be a large producer of yearbooks for all the local schools here in Southern California. They've had this unit for about 2 weeks now and have already been running it almost a shift and a half, running through their entire end of the year yearbook production. So here you can see the stacker on the back side of the coater doing an excellent job of keeping a nice flat stack. This stacker happens to have a cart unload, so this customer has a couple of different carts that they could slide in. The carts have casters, so when they're done with the job, they can just go ahead and drop it down to the floor, pull this stack off, load it up with another cart, and start production again. Down on this side, they're loading multiple jobs into the high capacity feeder. The feeder can hold about 22 or 24 inches of stock. An actual front suction cup feeder, very accurate on a whole range of different stocks. Coming into the coater, where the coating is actually being applied to the sheet before it transfers down onto the conveyor belt. This customer happens to run some thinner stocks and opted for the air knife system that helps blast the thinner sheets down to 100-pound text off of the roller to help them run some of those thinner stocks that they run. After it comes off the coating unit, goes down the conveyor belt through the IR and UV. I'm going to try to open it up. So it goes through the IR to help with adhesion of some of the more difficult toners, and then into the UV chamber on the left side here. And when those sheets come off, they are done. They're beautiful. They have a nice high gloss finish and ready for the next step. So wanted to make a video showing you guys our latest install. Again, here at Vision One, beautiful company in Rancho Cucamonga, California.